Hi there, it's Felicia Tucker here, and I'm speaking to you from my house in Luthersville, Georgia. And guys, today I'm going to speak to you about paid social media jobs. Um, I mean, in this day and time, nothing can ever be, a surprise to me anymore. um, when I first heard about getting paid through social media, I was like, I do not believe it. I know that Facebook is making $1 billion, Twitter and all of these other social media sites, but I just didn't think the average Jane or Joe could get paid from using social media. So, what I came across last night was this particular site here. This guy was telling me about it. He was like, Felicia, I got this new thing going on, and this is about to be the thing, and I'm going to make a lot of money with it. And I was like, okay, wow. And so he said, here you go, check it out. And so I went to the site to check it out, and it took me to a video. And the video, I must say, was very intriguing. I was like, wow, I really, really think that, this could benefit some people, and while I'm not interested in doing it, I just figured it would be interesting, or that, like I say, the average person would be able to get paid from social media, directly into your PayPal account or through a check or however, whatever choice you went with. So I thought, okay, well, let me just do a little research on this. So last night, I was up until about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning because I was here watching a few videos and just looking at the different, training modules that they have here, guys. And I must say that this is some very extensive training. So you'll really understand how to do social media jobs when you take this course. You really understand it. So of course, with anything that you do, it takes training, it takes time, it takes a little learning. But if you don't have anything else to do, why not do this? And it's basically like, you can have it, you can either work it like a business or you can work it like a job. It's totally up to you. But these people teach you how to do it just in case you want to run your own business and, do social media jobs for different people. And so I'm not going to go into depth all about what I learned just looking, or just listening to some of these things, but I will just go over a few tabs briefly here with you. So in module 1, I'm sorry, let me just back up here. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. So we have step 1. They want you to go through the training modules, which was what we were about to do. Now, step 2, create your online resume. You want to make sure you do that. Step 3, start finding jobs. Step 4, check out our free bonuses. So those are the 4 steps that you need to take when getting started with this site here. Welcome to module 1 of your training on being a social media manager. So they'll have this little video here, and this particular video is 26 minutes and 29 seconds, so that one's not very long. And then you have module 2. You'll want to proceed to module 2. Same thing. Video is actually shorter, but pretty much same thing. So then you have a third module. Alright, and then you have the advanced training. Now in the first, second, and third module, it briefly just tell you what you will learn in the particular video. So it teaches you how you can not only promote or work on Facebook, but also on Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, YouTube, Pinterest, and all of that good stuff, guys. I know a lot of us are always on Facebook and Twitter anyway, so hey, why not get paid for it? Very, very interesting. So then you have the advanced training, become more productive, converting prospects into buyers, establishing and promoting yourself, finding jobs, blueprint for pitching, everything, my ebooks, my videos, affiliate blogging secrets, how to set up WordPress. Those are your bonuses. Then finding work. So it actually pretty much gives you everything you need. Everything you need. So don't worry about the link. I'm going to put the link below this video because I know it's kind of hard for you to see it there. But yeah, so I mean, when I saw this, like I said, guys, I had to go ahead and get it. It only costs $47 for this whole package, and as you can see, this is some very extensive training you'll receive here. And I paid for it. I paid $47, and I did it because I was just interested in knowing what this was really about. I mean, $47 is, weenie, and it didn't cost me a whole lot to learn about this. And I figured, well, if I'm going to